Oh yeah, boy! About to go ahead and play with this sucker right here. Yeah, boy. Yeah,
Hey man, is that a flying helicopter?
Why? Yeah, man. Yeah, that's a flying helicopter. Yeah.
You know I don't even have any toys.
Damn, man. That's messed up. That's messed up.
For Christmas, all I get is clothing and food.
Really? Damn. That's messed up, man. Where's your father at?
Man, I don't even know my
You know what, man? Kind of feel sorry for you, man. And see with all this bad luck and issues you got going on with you. You know, I'm gonna do something for you, man. Give you a good old tip. Because see, I don't want you getting hurt with all the bad luck you having. So I'm gonna need for you to move your ass back that way. Uh-huh. A little further. A little further. That's perfect. All right, here we go. Here we go. Yeah.